If you're looking for the screws, there they are there. Here we go guys, a big moment, a big memento. There we go. Is that good enough for you? You can hang your junk, you see. Towel 1, towel 2. Just come off there, but it's pretty good really. Pretty good hooks. Well, maybe. Of course you need to make sure you've got space in your door. I mean this one, my door, it fits up to a bit there because of my doors. It's come down in an angle, it easily fits that side. So you really need a bit of a gap there if you want to close your door when you're using it. Also it hangs over the other side, so if you're getting stopping your door on the other side, maybe most of us have, I don't know, but it won't close fully. So it's probably best to using a door you don't close all the time or something. Could be total rubbish. Maybe cupboard doors are different. Top quality video. Slightly tricky. Make sure that's pointing that way, you know. That goes in there like that. So I get my. So I got a sticky bit on it. No. I get my screw. It goes in the back. There we go. Tighten it up, and then I do the other one. I'll leave it at that for now. I may leave it like that for good. Same again. That's pointing that way. Put the screw through. Get your thing. Twirl it round. You can do this, I know you can. I know you can do it. That one tightened up okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. Mine seem to move a bit, but I don't know if it's meant to be like that. Well, I probably could tighten them up if I want to. Hopefully, as long as the thread hasn't gone on the thread's in this thing. If you want to, I don't know, screw it into wood or something up above, saying you get the, I don't know what's going on there really, but I'm hanging it over a door, so. Alright, they're saying if you put it over a door, they recommend screwing it to the door, but I'm not going to do that. Weight 535 grams.